Today I wanted to show you how to add custom artwork to your game. I'm in my game here. I know the glare is a little tough to see all the different colors, but I'm going to tap on my little guide there. It's a little better once we get inside here. So you can see that I have added some coin artwork here. You can see I've added a heart here. If I go to play just a little bit, you'll see that I did use different kinds of artwork in here and added them. And so some of those things are already included in the game, and some of them you can create for yourself, like this one that I did. The coin I didn't make. That was already made and animated, but that little lightning bolt I made for one of my adversaries. So let me show you how to do that. So if we get out of the game, up at the top you see the orange choice. That's the artwork builder. And you can see that I've actually created a lot of different pieces of art. I have this one called Stomper. So if we open that up, you can see he turns from side to side. So I'm going to say open. And just like when you were animating your characters, your heroes, down along here at the bottom, you can choose to add an animation. So I just had him doing kind of a reverse side to side. So to add another layer to that, you hit plus. And if you want to get rid of it, add minus. But so that animation is happening on him. If I go back to the main artwork screen, you can use the board to design artwork, but I did a little bit of my own creating new art to do this. So I want to show you how to do that because otherwise you've done capture. So if you click on create new art, you get the board and it's empty. And then along the right hand side, you have your 8 choices: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and white. So you have 8 color choices you can make. So I'm not sure. Let's see. I'll make a heart. And once I pick that red color, then I can color it in just because it's all picked at that color. Ooh, I kind of wish there was more of a thing in the center. And it looks like maybe I need to even that out just a little bit. There you go. So now it's symmetrical, or nearly symmetrical. I would need to give this a title, so you'll use your art code as well as your whatever you want to call it. So let's say 4J, like I have my own class, heart. Then if you go back to your game and want to add that artwork to your game, what you do is you go down along the bottom and tap one of these plus signs to add it to that tray. You can grab it right there. Or if I want to add a cloud, I made some clouds with a blue background. I made a cloud without, oops, I forgot. You have to hit plus every time to go to a different one. Otherwise, it looks like, or it replaces the one you had. So now if I get here and let's say I wanted to turn this pink one into the heart I made, I can select the heart in the tray and then tap it up here, and then now that artwork is there. Enjoy making your new artwork. This adds a whole new layer of ways that you can customize it. You can do animations like these coins are animated, or how I showed you my stomper was animated. Or you can just have them be static. Either way works.